10 ideas for your first or next ebook. Before I share the ideas, I want to tell you why writing books is so important and how it can benefit you and your online business. The book Rework has this great recommendation: act like famous chefs, namely cook meals and write cookbooks. That is, do your business and write for people useful books that will be related to your business. Why is this so important? The book Rework has an answer to this as well. I quote: "You may have heard of celebrated chefs Emeril Lagasse, Mario Batali, Bobby Flay, Julia Child, Paula Deen or Jack Pepin. They are all great cooks, but besides them there are many other great cooks whose names we do not know. So why do these few people know better than others? Because they share everything they know. They publish cookbooks with their recipes and demonstrate their cooking techniques on television shows. That is, a book is a great way to tell the world about yourself and your business." In one of his books, Russell Brunson tells such an interesting story. Once upon a time, when he was not yet writing books, he had a conversation with his friend. His friend said, "Russell, do you know how you are different from Tony Robbins? Both you and he are cool entrepreneurs. But Tony is cooler than you because he writes books and more people know him." At this moment, Russell caught a serious insight and then set about writing his first book. When you are the author of even an e-book, it raises your authority in the eyes of other people. You automatically become a cooler expert than those people who don't have their books. And here is one more argument why you should start writing books. Most people have never taken a single course or masterclass in their entire lives. But there are very few people who have not read at least one book. I hope I motivated you to write your book. By the way, my name is Dmytro. I am from Ukraine and I love internet marketing. I advise you to watch my videos because my English is not good, so I will try to explain complex things to you in simple words, and it will be easier for you to understand it. So let's start. Now I am going to share with you 10 ideas for your new ebook. Idea number 1. From point A to point B. In your book, teach other people to get a certain result or help them learn a certain skill. For example, help them create a site with their own hands, or teach them how to set up targeted ads in Google Ads. Idea number 2. Synopsis of the webinar or intensive. Attend a webinar on a topic that interests you. Better yet, visit the paid intensive webinar series. Make a summary of these webinars and then, based on this synopsis, create your own ebook. Idea number 3. Detailed analysis of one case. Take one case from your personal practice and describe it in detail in your ebook, what you did, how and what result you got. Example: tell people how you created your online store from scratch. Describe the entire process in detail, share your first results. Idea number 4. Demonstration of the operation of the service or program. Make your ebook in the form of detailed instructions for working with some service or program that you use yourself in your business. Teach other people how to use this service or program. Idea number 5. Answers to the most acute questions. You can make a collection of answers to the most pressing questions that arise in your target audience and help them solve their tasks and problems. Answers should be detailed and comprehensive. Idea number 6. Collection of practical cases. Collect the most interesting cases from your personal practice in one ebook. Briefly describe each of them in the format, what exactly was done and what results were obtained. Idea number 7. List of services or programs and their description. You can write a book about the services you use on the internet. It will be the list of services plus a description of each of them, maybe some interesting details and advantages. You can even insert your affiliate links to these services and earn from the affiliate programs of these services promoting your ebook. Idea number 8. A new life experience. Make it your goal to learn some new useful skill in a topic that interests you, and based on this new experience write an ebook. Describe your entire journey in your book. It will be a great tutorial for beginners. Idea number 9. Turn a video course into an ebook. Buy some high-quality video course on your topic, ideally if you buy several video courses. Check out the material of this video course or video courses, and then based on this material create your own ebook. Put the most useful material from the video courses in your ebook. Idea number 10. Use ChatGPT to create an ebook. Enter the ChatGPT, this is a service with artificial intelligence, and give the task of artificial intelligence to write an ebook for you. Enter all the necessary data for this. The service's response will be a great foundation for your future book. Add to this foundation your stories, your experience, and your knowledge, and you will have a unique product. I hope these ideas help you write your first or next ebook. By the way, in the description of this video I will leave a link to my own ebook. Rate it. If you have any questions on the topic, write them in the comments to this video, and I will try to answer them. I wish you a good day and great mood. Bye bye.